I'll be walking you through the steps to create a Facebook business page. Having a business page on Facebook is essential for any brand looking to build an online presence, attract customers, and share updates. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here are some key reasons to create a Facebook business page. A business page gives you a space to showcase your brand, products, or services to a wider audience. You can post updates, share promotions, and respond to customer inquiries directly. Business pages offer insights and advertising tools, allowing you to track engagement and run targeted ads. With these benefits in mind, let's go over the setup process. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon from the right bottom. In this section, find the Pages option. If you do not see the Pages option, just scroll down and tap See More. Now let's tap on Pages. Tap on the Create button. Tap Get Started. Write the page name. This should be the name of your business or brand, as it will be visible to everyone. Now tap on Next. Choose a category that best represents your business: restaurant, health and beauty, or retail. After that, tap Create. Select your goals and tap Continue. Now that your page is created, it's time to add visuals and customize it. You will need to upload a logo and a cover. For most businesses, a clear, high-resolution logo helps customers recognize your brand. Tap on the profile icon and upload your image. Also, you can add a cover photo. The cover photo is the larger image at the top of your page. Choose something visually appealing that represents your brand or products. Recommended size is 820 x 312 pixels. Tap on the top photo and upload your chosen image. These visuals are essential as they create the first impression of your business, so choose high-quality images that align with your brand. After you have finished the upload of images, tap Next. This step is optional, but I highly suggest uploading a logo and cover images. You can invite friends to like your page. Tap Next. Tap Done. You have now created a Facebook page. You can now continue to edit the page info. And that's it. You now know how to create and set up a professional Facebook business page. Whether you're promoting a small business or growing a brand, this page can be a powerful tool for building your online presence. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and happy page building.